Good afternoon. My name is Feijimi Oluwakemi, one of the MMM Guidance School students. I'm here to talk about the MMM ideology. And under my outline, I have what MMM is, brief history of MMM ideology, how MMM works, rules of MMM, and benefits of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank. It is not a business. It is not an investment. It is not a get-rich-quick platform. Rather, MMM Corporation is a global mutual aid fund. It's financial social network. It is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical-based program which helps millions of participants worldwide to help those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All this transfer is done in Bitcoin or the particular country's currency, such as Nigeria, where we use Naira, to another participant as help given by your own goodwill to another. Brief history of MMM. I want to talk about the brief history of MMM. MMM started in 1989 as a cooperative founded by late Sergei, a mathematician and Russian by birth. He was born in 1955. Sergei was angered by Russia's financial deception and robbery of a defenseless population. He founded the MMM movement due to this reason. In 1994, MMM became a joint stock company. During this period, Mavodi movement was frustrated by the Russian government and he was arrested for a laid allegation of tax evasion. This same year, he was able to register himself as a candidate for the state of Duma, which he later won the election and became members of the parliament. The government's frustrations gave Mavodi the strength to create a better system in 2011. Now, this takes us to the ideology of MMM. What is the ideology of MMM? It seeks to eradicate the world unjust financial system and create a fair one where money will no longer be an issue. It translates people from a state of financial slavery to a state of freedom. How MMM works. Participants give money by direct transfer to one another, as you can see in the diagram. What are the rules of MMM? In MMM, you don't have multiple accounts. 2. Do not share email or bank details with another people. 3. Do not accept cash directly from your downlines. 4. Do not upload fake POP, which is proof of payment, in order to buy time. 5. Do not borrow money to provide help. 6. Participate with your spare money alone. 7. Do not delay in paying your order. What are the benefits of MMM? Benefits of MMM are as follows. You get 10% reward from deposit of the participants you invited. Also, you get 30 to 50% of the amount you provided. You have the chance to attend a guided school and have a good knowledge of the use of Google accounts, documents, spreadsheets, YouTube, and lots more. MMC is transparent enough to its participants in circulating financial aids and also allow for a free guided school where participants are trained. After attending the guided school, they become self-dependent. They can create their structure and educate them on the ideology of MMM. Doing the following, MMM expands and we are where we are today. As our slogan has said, together we change the world. Thank you.